Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect games on Discord Mobile. First, open the Discord application on your smartphone or tablet. Once open, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to access your user settings. From there, scroll down and find the Connections option. This is where you will manage all your linked accounts, allowing you to integrate your gaming experiences seamlessly with your Discord profile. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few taps. Now, let's link your gaming accounts. Inside the Connections menu, you will see an Add button, usually represented by a plus sign. Tap this to view a list of various gaming platforms and services like Xbox, PlayStation, or Steam. Select the one you want to connect. Discord will then guide you through the authorization process, which typically involves logging into that service's account to grant Discord permission. This ensures a secure link between your profiles. Once connected, you can choose how your gaming activity appears. For each link service, you'll find options like Display on Profile and Display Game Activity. Toggling these on allows your friends to see which games you are currently playing directly on your Discord profile or in your status. This feature enhances social interaction, letting others know when you are online and ready to join a game, making it easier to connect and play together. If you encounter any issues, here are some quick tips. First, always ensure your Discord mobile application is updated to its most recent version, as updates often fix bugs. A stable internet connection is also crucial for proper functionality. If your game activity isn't showing, try disconnecting and then reauthorizing the specific gaming service. Sometimes, a simple refresh of the connection can resolve display problems, getting you back to sharing your gaming status with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.